Hello and welcome to Practice English in a Different Way. Ever wondered when to use if versus whether in English? We can use if or whether to report indirect yes-no questions and questions with or. If is more common than whether. Example: call the bakeries around town and find out if any of them sell raspberry pies. We often prefer whether in more formal contexts. For example, the teachers will be asked whether they would recommend the book to their classes. We prefer whether with or when there is more than one alternative in the indirect question. For example, after the election, we asked whether the parties should change their leaders, their policies, or again both. To express an alternative, we can use or not with if and whether. With whether, we can use or not immediately after whether or in end position. With if, we use or not in end position only. Examples: 1. I called Bill to find out whether or not he really did go to Spain. 2. I called Bill to find out whether he really did go to Spain or not. 3. I called Bill to find out if he really did go to Spain or not. We use whether and not if before a to infinitive, often when we're referring to future plans or decisions. For example, I was wondering whether to go for a swim. We use whether and not if after prepositions. Example: later I argued with the doctor about whether I had hit my head since I couldn't remember feeling it. Please join us and subscribe. Please share this video. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Practice English in a different way.